So right here you can see the guys putting together an inside miter for these gutters. An inside miter is where two gutter runs meet at an inside corner. In this instance, they're putting the miter on, they're running the gutter, putting the miter on at the corner to give a clean, seamless look. As you can see over here, he's getting his cut ready for the inside miter. So this is an inside miter right here. This is the inside corner. You can see a 90-degree angle, 90. That goes at the inside corner of the miter. This is the outside of the gutter. So the gutter comes in here and the other gutter comes in here. And as you can see right here, they put the miter on like this. We install pop rivets. We don't use ugly hex head fasteners on the bottom side of the miter. Pop rivets give a clean, seamless look. You can barely see the pop rivet. So this gets fastened through and this pop rivet's back into the gutter. I'll show you right here. So the pop rivet gets pushed through. This gets pushed through and popped through. And then this goes all the way in and then gets snapped off. So this all gets sealed. So the inside of this gutter gets sealed. So we'll put a thick bead of sealant all through here. We'll get this bent down. They're not done with this, but we'll bend it down a lot more. So from the outside, you see pop rivet, pop rivet, pop rivet, pop rivet, pop rivet, pop rivet, and then some on the back. It's a cleaner look than putting a hex head fastener. So this gets nailed in right there. Bam. The tool nails it in. And it basically just locks the two pieces of metal together in an aesthetic way. And then, as you can see, all the scratches and whatnot, that's inevitably going to happen. So you just use touch-up paint, color match. The supplier will provide a color match paint, and we'll just touch this up before they install it.